How to create draft messages in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you ever needed to draft messages in Messenger but were not sure how? Drafting messages can be crucial for organizing thoughts, planning responses, or saving important information without sending it immediately. If you have encountered these scenarios, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to create draft messages in Messenger. Open Messenger on a device. You will land on the chat section. Open a conversation with someone where you want to draft a message. Tap on the message box to get typing interface. Type in the message you want to convey but make sure you don't send it. My friend has a birthday tomorrow, so I will write a birthday message. After composing the message without sending it, tap on the back arrow at the top. As you can see, just below the name of the user, there is a blue draft text with the message I typed in. Give a look at my other conversations as well. I have already drafted messages with multiple people. Similarly, you can create draft messages with other people too. To edit or send a drafted message, select the conversation where your message is drafted. The drafted message will automatically appear in the message box. Edit the message if needed or send it to the user. And boom, you have successfully learned the way to create draft messages in Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.